Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is.
Good morning, go-getters. I hope you're out there having a great day. Right now, we are in freaking North Carolina, but we're going to Greensboro, North Carolina. We gotta drop off a load, but that's not what we're here to talk about. I need to talk about how today is Thursday and I haven't talked to y'all since Sunday. Yeah, Bree been busy. I'm talking about running hard. I'm like, what? I ain't talked to my people in forever. So I'm gonna just count this as a weekend vlog instead of a weekly vlog because I miss most of the week. But yeah, I just got ready. I did my pre-trip and now I'm just waiting for me to do it, you know, on paper. I'm just waiting for it to catch up and do it on paper. So I will probably see you guys at the final. Y'all remember, like, this is probably the last week I went there. They were really cool. And then afterwards, I went to the TA. But we see what we got going on for today. Let me hurry up and get out of here so I can make sure we get a load early in the morning. But I'll see you guys later. Peace. Thanks, you guys. So I couldn't really talk to y'all at my freaking final and my shippers because they unloaded me so quickly. But we are in, I think we're still in North Carolina. I couldn't really tell you. But we have to go inside of a Sheets for the cat scale. So I saw somebody else sitting outside eating. So I think they got some food. So I may see if I can get me something to eat. But we gotta see what they have first. So y'all come with me. You know, what is this? OMG. It's made to order though. I don't think I have time for all of this. $5 or less. Yeah. A milkshake? $7? Nah, take that off. Take the milkshake off. I don't know what none of this. $5 for a milkshake. Take that off. You know what? I don't need any of this because we are going to get Mexican tonight. Let's get this catskill. You guys, we made it to the TA in West Virginia. Yeah, they got everything around here. This is my favorite TA in West Virginia. But guess what? We finna make this a big girl travel vlog. We finna go get some Mexican. Wait, take that back. Still a big girl travel vlog, but we finna go take a shower. Look kinda cute, but still work ready cute, you know? And we finna get us some Mexican. And I guess chill and get ready for work tomorrow. But we in West Virginia. Don't play with her. Not the beer and pizza, baby. I don't know what shower they want me to go to. I know. Shower 6:48:24. Not the pool table. I want to play pool for free. I want to play for free though. Oh, I see. There you go. Okay. 5, 6. I'm taking my time in here. I'm not rushing.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number.
What's up, y'all? So the Mexican, it was really good. It was really good. Cheap. Your girl only spent $25 plus a little $5 tip, so $30. But I ain't getting no liquor. Tell me why I got appetizer, entree, and a dessert, but forgot the liquor. I guess we doing a dry February. Because I had liquor all month. That's a lie. That is a lie. I had it on Super Bowl. But yeah, so I'm in my truck. I'm finna go to bed because we gotta get up early in the morning. I'm literally just gonna go into the TA, brush my teeth, probably eat an apple or orange, and get on this road. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about.
What's up, you guys? I'm gonna turn my truck off. What's up, you guys? So we are at the Pilot in Fremont, Indiana, because we just delivered that load. And guess what we're gonna do today? We is going to go outside, probably eat Wendy's. I'm not gonna cap. We probably gonna eat Wendy's tonight and for lunch. We finna go get Wendy's, sit outside, chill. And they got a fireworks place like right next door, so we're definitely gonna go look at that. Other than that, that's all I got planned for today, because ain't no load available. And y'all know I had to pick a Pilot with a Wendy's. I don't know why I love Wendy's so much now, but I do. But yeah, let's go.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep.
Okay, they said this is the world's largest warehouse and lowest prices. Your girl just wants 3 fireworks and some sparklers. No smoking. Alright. So we finna go check and see what they got. I haven't been to a freaking fireworks place in forever. Is it dark?
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Oops, sorry.
You're
I'm so
good.
sorry. I'm making a mess.
It's me.
You like working here though?
I do. It's really nice. Really nice when it's not busy, and then it's also really fun when it is busy. So it's like the best of both worlds.
Yeah. This is only $20. Well, $30. That's not bad. One day I'm gonna get one of them big ones, but I gotta test these out first.
They're fun. They're really fun. So this is not working, and I'm not sure if it's your card or if it's my machine, but I can try the card again.
Now she tried to play me like I was broke. But nah, it did work. She had tried a third time. But it wasn't me. They got an old-fashioned card reader and a cash register. I'm talking about, it looked like a toy. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But yeah, I'm back in my truck. I'm finna just chill for the rest of the day. Eat, take a shower, and just chill. I need to clean up this truck though. But we can do that in a second. Right now, we chilling. We chilling. Since there's no load available, we chilling. So I'll see y'all later. Peace.
She found to take me no win. This cat nigga can't even see me on win. She found a flight nigga win. This cat. She found a flight me no way out of here. She found a flight nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a beggar. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Perk 2 million and build up my hood.
Good morning, you guys. It freaking snowed. I was asleep. I had no idea. Guess that's the life up north of Midwest. It's time to open these curtains. Don't talk about my curtains, okay? But it's time to start our day. I'm starting it really late. Been up since like 6. And it's 10 o'clock. Dang. We're gonna leave the curtains open until it gets nighttime. I'm still at the pilot. Still number 1 on the list. So no load yet. So we gotta get breakfast before it closes. Let me not record him. We gotta get some Wendy's before they close breakfast. Your girl wants some French toast sticks. We're gonna go take a shower. I really wanna clean up my truck and make some TikToks. I got freaking icicles.
Disney Plus.
Dig them hoes.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
Well, excuse me.
Excuse me.
One day.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
What? What? There we go. Y'all, this is huge. Oh my gosh. This is huge. I love it. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Is there a light in here? Oh. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh. What's up, y'all? So you know this would not be a freaking weekly vlog if I didn't have my weekly Walmart order in it. So I just placed my Walmart order because I'm still chilling. I actually need to go back to sleeper berth. Right now I'm off duty.
You have 8 hours and 0 minutes of remaining drive time.
I did finish a... No, I didn't. We're still doing it. Okay. So I'm off duty. And I'm finna go back to sleeper berth. So when I'm out of the truck, I go off duty. When I'm in my truck, I'm in sleeper berth, whether I'm asleep or not. Alright. So I just placed my Walmart order and I'm waiting for it to get here. I did the one where you pay $5 extra for 3 hours or less. I could drop this trailer and drive over there, but I was like, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much work. So that will get here shortly, and I'm gonna put my order up, clean up the truck. It's not that messy. I just gotta wipe down everything, change my sheets, and I already took out the trash. So that's all we got planned for today. But the reason why I did a Walmart order is because I've been watching like vloggers on YouTube, and they be like paying $400 to get their eyebrows. I think it's eyebrow threading. It's not threading, and it's not eyebrow tinting. I think it's eyebrow micro braiding or something. I don't know. It's just very expensive. I ain't got it like that. I ain't got it like that. I ain't got it like that. So, another YouTuber, she used the men's beard. She used it to tint her eyebrows. So that's what we gonna do today. We're gonna try and tint these eyebrows and see how long they'll last. So, yeah. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Alright, you guys. We got our Walmart order. He was really nice. I didn't get that much stuff. I only spent like $80. That's crazy. Groceries are expensive. I didn't even get that. I didn't even get that much stuff, but so I'm really excited. This is what the brows look like. I'm gonna go get everything. I literally just got like 4 bags of chips, some bread, salad, ranch, because we're done. I'm not even gonna tell y'all we're done. You're just gonna see in the videos that I'm done eating out. I'm not gonna tell y'all though, because every time I tell y'all I'm done eating out, in the next video, I'm eating out again. So I ain't gonna say nothing. My actions gonna prove it, baby. Don't play with it. Okay. So let me go get my stuff that I need. I've only seen like a couple of videos on how to do this, so we'll see. Alright, I got this mirror from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so let's see. Hope this works. They look cute from a distance and in the video, but when you click a picture, when you make a picture, honey, they're like, ooh, baby, feel it in. Alright, so we got some instructions. What is this? Those gloves, they give us gloves. Spanish. This is Spanish stuff. I really should do a skin allergy test, but I don't want to. That takes 48 hours. Alright, that's pretty easy. Alright, so I don't need a lot of it because it's just my eyebrows. I'm not doing a beard. We're not doing a beard. Ain't nobody in my business either. Alright. The jet black, a lot of people use medium brown, but I don't know. They was lighter skinned, so I don't think that will work on me. And I like my eyebrows dark, like black. So, and it come with something I could. Oh yeah, it did. Okay. See, and this is way too thick for eyebrows, so we're just gonna use it to blend. Other stuff. What is this? This will work. I should clean this off though. Yeah, we got that. I'm gonna keep my glasses on so I can see. Damn, it's getting dark already, y'all. Dang, I ain't even done. I ain't even done applying it. Girl. Now this eyebrow I suck at, so let's try it. It's getting dark already. It's getting dark way too fast. I suck at this eyebrow. We're gonna have to fix that eyebrow, right? That's where the Q-tips come in handy. All right. See how much product I have left? Like, that's a lot of product. I don't know how to. Oh, there you go. That's a lot of product. Let's see if I like it. I think I should put some more on it. It's getting so dark. So dark. This is so much thicker. But what's up, y'all? So she said leave it on for 5. The package says leave it on for 5 minutes, but they left theirs on YouTube for 10 minutes. But I feel like since mine is really dark, I shouldn't leave it on that long. But we're gonna do 10 minutes because that's what they did. So I will see you guys back in 10 minutes. Peace. What's up, you guys? It's been exactly, okay, I didn't do 10 minutes because I was kind of scared. So I just did 8 minutes. And she used baby wipes, and all I have is the flushable hemorrhoid wipes. Even though I don't have hemorrhoids, these are flushable. So I use them when I remember. So that's what we're gonna put on our face. Yeah. All right, let's try it. Let's take the glasses off. All right, let's do it. Ooh, there's a lot of product that came on. No more black stuff, so let's try the other eyebrow. This one's probably gonna be the ugliest one. Don't you hate it when you lose your glasses and you can't freaking look for them because you wear glasses? Like, come on. Can't be too far from me. Ain't many places to look in a truck. I really can't. Oh, there you go. There you go. All right, let's see. Close my eyes. Love them. Love it. This one could use some work, but we're not gonna stress about it. About the messed up part. Okay. That one real thing. Yeah. I like it though. It works for me. Yeah. So it works. Now we're gonna see how long they last. I'm gonna still wash my face regularly, all that good stuff, but we're gonna see how long they last. So let's get to clean it up. Peace. It's probably gonna be nighttime before I clean up. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But peace.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Please say something. Why am I flash, man? I keep getting up. Niggas gotta move on my release day home. Bitch, this is playing not out. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby, got to be the type of size of the crib. I can never tell this shit in here what it is.
Okay, so I did really good and I finished cleaning my truck, so I'm gonna reward myself with a slushie. Your girl deserved it. And of course, they only got these nasty 3 flavors. And they're freaking ices. I'm not an icy girl. Whatever.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Why am I the flash, man, a cheapskate?
Good morning, go-getters. So today is the last day of the weekend. I made me some breakfast, which is literally just cereal. But we gotta test it out because I told y'all when I had that strawberry milk, it was nasty. We're gonna see if this is nasty. It's good. I like almond milk because it lasts longer. Like that almond milk, I've got that like, it doesn't, I got that in February, but it doesn't spoil until April. Like that's a lot. And this is my first time looking at my eyebrows. Look at her. I woke up like this. All I did was brush my teeth and put on some lip gloss. But I woke up like this. So yeah, don't worry about all my acne. Okay? But it looks good. Looks good. Yeah, so we're gonna see how long it lasts. So far it lasted a day. Yeah. So we just got a load, so we're gonna go to Trenton, Ohio. Which is good because I need to wash clothes and that will really end me cleaning. Like I already did the floors, I wiped down the front seat. I just need to clean this rug, my sheets, and my clothes, and my curtain, and I will be done. So that's what we got going on for today. I'm gonna watch my sermon while I'm driving to Trenton, Ohio. Yep. And then we're just gonna chill in Trenton for a second. I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm just gonna wash my clothes and go to Kentucky. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna eat my cereal and then start my day. And I'll see you guys when we get to Trenton. Peace. Alright, you guys, so someone's using the washer and dryer and I don't want to wait. So we're just gonna go to a pilot and be like 30 minutes away from our final tomorrow.
What do we know about casinos here? He was placed on a watch list after the CIA did an undercover DNA sweep on a Taliban gathering in Kandahar. Included in the sweep was Qassim's older brother Rashid Nasir, 27. A known enforcer for the terror group, he's claimed responsibility for over 100 deaths in Afghanistan.
What's up, you guys? So we made it to the pilot, but we didn't stay in Trenton. I think I already told y'all because they were using the washer and the dryer and I didn't want to wait. So we're at the pilot. I have nothing else going on for today, but just chilling. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all out there getting that money. Peace.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.